We work with a lot of property managers, and I gotta say, we have a lot of respect for you. You guys have a tough job. With that being said, the last thing you need when hiring a contractor is to find out your hero is really a zero. At some point, you'll need to deal with settled concrete. You may be aware that polyurethane is the best way to deal with sunken concrete, but there are just so many companies that have added concrete raising to their service offerings. So who do you choose? Well, one of the most important things you will need is expert guidance. Our estimators keep your community's best interest at heart by helping you understand what should be raised versus what shouldn't be. Concrete raising can't solve every problem. Far too many commercial and HOA projects falter due to inexperienced salespeople unknowingly setting projects up for failure. Your estimator should have the experience of a well-seasoned installer, guiding you with real expertise. The ticket to a successful concrete raising project is relying on a company that's focused on raising concrete, not a multi-service waterproofing or concrete coating company. Your clients, their concrete, and your reputation are just too valuable to put at risk. Raising concrete is the only thing we do. In fact, we're Chicagoland's original polyurethane specialists. All our staff, from the office to estimators to field crews, focus on one thing and one thing only: providing the very best polyurethane concrete raising services in Chicagoland. We have the specialized equipment, materials, and expertise to make sure your project is safe and successful. The next time you're faced with sunken concrete problems, no matter how big or small the property, you can put your trust in Acme.